don't think I've ever seen that. Just fall, get over the top and fall over the other side. It's just a big bear hug. Look at that. Oh, so cute. So cute. This is healthy play. Very good healthy play. It's good for both of them.
He needs to get all that energy out.
It is. He's also learning relationship.
Right.
It's how the animals learn. Oh, I love when they go from the back like that. Just so cute.
He's over here trying to help him.
Oh, it doesn't matter. They can't. It's harmless.
Yeah.
Now, the only thing that's ever